Kung adunay mangutana nimo karon, are you saved? Unsa kay imong tubag? Unsa kay atong tubag? Maybe others will say, yes, I am saved. But maybe some of us can also reflect on that question. Am I really saved? Makapangutan nata sa tong kaugalingon kung luwas na ba gyud ta. Muna ang atong ebanghelyo karon kinutlo ni Saint Luke, chapter 13 verses 22 to 30. May usa ka lalaki nangutana kang Hesus, Sir, jutay rabay maluwas? Si Jesus mitubag, paningkamot kamo pagsulod sa sigpit nga pultahan, kay daghan ang musulay, apan dili makasulod. It is clear sa atong ebanghelyo nga giingon ni Kristo nga maluwas ta, but we need to pass this narrow door. Nga inigsod na to, huot, piit. Ba? Mo nang ang uban, dili makasulod. Kani nga narrow door, kaning sigpit nga pultahan nga gisgutan diri, mauni ang mga challenges, trials, problems sa atong kinabuhi. Ang requirement, we need to endure all these things. When we were born in this world, kauban na nato ang atong challenges, ang atong trials, o atong problems. We cannot turn our back to these things. Niatras ka, Lord, di na ko ana, ari ko sa sayon. Lord, nay sayon nga mangita man kog lisod. But the requirement is we need to pass through that narrow door. Kitang tanan na agyo problema. We even pray, Lord, take all these problems because I'm tired. Murag paminaw nako, wala ko'y kagawasan, sige na kong hilak, sige na kong kaguol. Please, kuhaan niya akong mga problema. Do you think these problems will be taken away from us? The answer is no. Di yun ni mawagtang. Kay package na yun ni siya. Try to imagine if life has no challenges, has no trials, has no problems. What could it be? Kaboring sa kinabuhi. Walay lami. Tanan naman lang nato sayon. Daghan ang mahimong tapulan kung walay problema sa kinabuhi. That is why the correct prayer that we need to ask the Lord is to strengthen us. Lord, strengthen me. Lord, give me wisdom. Lord, send the Holy Spirit so that I can endure all these things. Walay tao nga dili gusto maluwas. Of course, all of us really want to be saved. After this life, we want to go to heaven. We want to be with God. We want to be with the angels, with the saints, and our loved ones in heaven. But once we don't pass through that narrow door, then it only means we want hell, not heaven. So salvation is still up to us. It is up to us if we will be enduring all our challenges, our trials, our problems. And so, no retreat, no surrender. With God's grace, we can pass through that narrow door.